This video will cover the instructions on how to set up the database and use the NSF search function. So first off, we are using XAMPP. We're using MySQL. You could download that here. Click on your OS and download it. Next, we're using dbeaver for the DBMS. You could download dbeaver and at this link, click download. And once it's all downloaded, we are ready to start setting up the database. So go ahead and open up first XAMPP. Make sure it's running. And as you can see here, all you have to do is open up the control panel and click start, and then they should start running. Now you're able to go on to dbeaver, and now you can create a new database. So how you do this is you're going to right click databases, create new database, and you can type in the name. You should type in NSF awards. I've already created it, so I'm not going to create it again. We're going to assume that you've created it, so now you have the NSF awards database. So now you're going to have to create a table in the database. So once you have clicked on it, you're going to right click here, create table, and once you do this, you're going to call it awards. I didn't mean to do that. Doesn't matter. So you're going to call it awards. You could do that just by changing the name. So I've already created it, and now once you've created it, you're going to want to create the columns like so. Create column. You're going to call the first one award underscore ID, next one investigator, and then the third one institution. Award ID should be an int 11, not null, and a primary key. Investigator should be varchar 100, not null, and institution should be varchar 100, not null as well. So once you set up this, you're going to want to persist it to the schema, and then once that is done, you are ready to start filling this database with data. So how do you do that is you're going to want to open up a new SQL editor, click new script. Now you'll have a blank script here. Now you're going to go to our Google Drive link, quickly pull it up here. You're going to want to download awarddata.sql. And what this is it contains all of the information for our database. So you're going to want to drag it into the SQL editor, and now you have the whole script in here. And now, assuming you have set up the names correctly, so NSF awards for the database and awards for the table name, and also assuming that you have the same names for the columns, if you run this script, it will fill your database with all of the information for the NSF search. So now, once you've done this, you should have a filled database like this. And now you're ready to start. Now you're ready to start using the NSF search function. So now you're going to want to download this 4900 space project. You're going to want to download this folder, and you're going to want to put it into your XAMPP. Let me go here. You're going to want to put it in the XAMPP htdocs folder. So you're going to want to download it, drag it in here like so. As you see, I have it in here. And now you are ready to go on to localhost /4900 original nsf.html. So this will bring you to the search function, and from this point you are ready to start using it.